Hi everyone, I'm Anna Rose Bain and you're watching Painting Children from Life. In this video, I'll show you two different approaches I took to painting my daughter, one of which was more successful than the other. I've been painting my kids since they were just days old, and I think one of the most enjoyable things about being a painter is getting to document your life in this incredibly intimate and unique way. Around the age of 5 or 6 is when they really start getting able to sit and pose for you from life. I think it's important to set children up in an environment where they're very comfortable, where they feel beautiful, listened to, because there's nothing greater for a child than getting that one-on-one attention and knowing that they get you all to themselves. And my daughter really enjoyed that aspect of it, as did I. It was really quality time that we got to spend together.